Today we have a present that's been sent to me through the PO box. So this is from a lovely subscriber. She sent me a card separately with some beautiful words inside, which I was really touched by. And she said that she has sent me some gifts for my own collection. So I'm really excited to see what's inside. She's asked not to be named, so I won't do that, but I will say a huge thank you. This is such a kind gesture and I'm so excited to see what's inside the parcel. So if you are new here, I'm Kat and I'm a girl on a mission to rescue and recycle the world's unwanted jewellery. Do check out the channel if you don't already. Subscribe. Let's get into it. Oh wow, they're birds. Oh my goodness, you know me very, very well. How exciting. So if you are new here and you don't know, I collect these little vintage wooden parrot earrings. Oh, I don't have any blue ones. They're gorgeous. Let's open this up. So these ones have really pretty dangles on that look lovely against my hair. There's the other one. And these guys, look at their faces. I love them. And some moons. Oh my goodness, I love moons. They remind me of my celestial phase in the 90s. This is gorgeous. It's got little stars underneath the resin. And these lovely moon faces, look at those. So we can make charms as well as earrings from those. Gorgeous. And I can see there are some more birdies here. I feel like such a lucky girl, guys. I feel like I've already won the lottery just by having this lovely community of like-minded jewellery lovers. And to receive things in the post too is like a dream. Wowza, look at that. I can't wait to wear this in a Whatnot show. Isn't that amazing? I've never seen anything like that before. It's from Accessorize. Oh, that's so cool. Thank you. What have we got here? We've got a little silver ring. Perfect fit. Look at that. This is Pandora, guys. I was thinking that would be perfect with my little stack of Pandora rings. Oh, this is so generous. I honestly, words fail me. Look at these guys. This looks like a pewter one. That's really cool. And then this one, which says it's by Strata. Love those. Oh my goodness. Thank you so much. This necklace is just incredible. This is so kind, thank you. If you do want to send me anything in for recycling, you can find my PO box address in the video description as well. I love to open the things you sent me, and as I say, look out for some more unboxing videos coming very soon. Do let me know in the comments what was your favourite, and watch something else. Hit the like for me and the subscribe, of course, if you don't already, and I'll see you in the next one. Thanks again. Bye, guys.